Hi, I'm Felicia from the team at Cvent, and I'm going to show you how to find your next event venue with the Cvent Supplier Network. With the Cvent Supplier Network, finding venues for your events is easy. Simply enter the location where your event will take place. For more tailored results, go ahead and add some additional details like the event date, capacity requirements, and venue type. The results page will show you a list of venues that meet your criteria. Click to take a closer look and explore more details, including photos, floor plans, and amenities. Want to contact the venue directly? Well, you can do that too. The Cvent Supplier Network lets you connect with venues right through the platform, so you don't even have to go anywhere else. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to find the best venue for your event. Try it for yourself. Who knows, you might even discover a hidden gem. For more tips, check out our other videos or visit cvent.com to learn more. Thanks for watching.